small child in a land of 1,000, one small dream of a Savior tonight, one small hand reaching out to the starlight, one small city of light, one king bringing his gold and riches, one king ruling an army of might, one king kneeling with incense and candlelight, one king bringing us light. See him lying a cradle beneath him, see him smiling in the storm, see his mother praising his father, see his tiny eyelids fall. One small light from the flame of a candle, one small life in a city of mine, one small light from the stars in the endless night, one small light from the flames. See the shepherds kneeling before him, see the kings on bended knee, see his mother praising his father, see the blessed infant sleep. One small child in a land